Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you multiple ways how we can make money with Amazon Affiliate for complete beginners. But before we start, I'm going to present you one program which will help you on your journey making money with Amazon Affiliate. Let me show you. It's called Genius Link, and you will find it directly down below in the description. And why is it really good? Let me explain. So how Amazon Affiliate works. First thing first, you need to sign up for Amazon Affiliate for multiple countries. So let's say that you would be creating content, you will be writing articles, whatever, for not only US, but also for the Europe, and someone from Britain can buy it, whatever, or Asia. Now, what you have to do is to sign up for multiple countries like Amazon in the United States, Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Netherlands, etc. But what you have to do then is that you're going to have like 7, 8, 10 links that you have to put in the description under the video or in an article. What helps is Genius Link. What Genius Link does is that you're going to have all your Amazon accounts connected in Genius Link and have only one link that you will share everywhere. And why is it important? Because let's imagine, let me show you, let's imagine that someone from Germany would be watching your video. And he would click on Amazon.com, link down below in the description, but he then needs to take the product, or like he's going to copy the product, the name of it, and then go to Amazon Germany, Amazon.de, and that's pretty much it. But you're going to lose commission. With the Genius Link, what is going to happen? You're going to have one link, and if someone comes from the France, Germany, Australia, Canada, US, they are going to redirect. They're going to be redirected to their Amazon stores, and you are going to get the commission if they're going to buy the product. Also, Genius Link, what is really great, is going to save you a lot of time, only because if you're gonna have, you're just gonna paste the product, the name, the link of the product, and it's going to automatically create all the Amazon links that you need. It's perfect. It's really good. And then what you have to do is just like share the link, and you're gonna save. Let's say that you will be creating 2-3 videos a day. Let's imagine you would be saving up, I don't know, 20-30 minutes of work, because it's a lot of work with working with Amazon links. So that's something really good. Another thing, before we start, I'm going to show you the ideas how we can make money without actually creating videos, and how we can dive into the Amazon Affiliate, is that it's going to take time, and you should definitely focus on snowball. What does it mean? Is that you should focus of long-term income from it. So the more I'm going to create, let's say articles, write articles, or create videos, the more money I'm going to make. It's going to snowball, and that's what you want to focus on evergreen content. So never forget it, right? So, and now what you can create. So when you come here, this is wonderful channel. Then not only, let's say, you'll be creating YouTube videos, and there is a link down below in the description that can help you how you can start your own successful YouTube channel with Amazon Affiliate. And this is one of the best way how we can make it. You would be creating the comparison videos of the products. So let's say I got the Logitech here, then I got like Apple AirPod, and you can see clearly here, look at this. This guy, there is like audio in the background, and he's just showing it. It would be much better if you would be like talking about the differences while showing everything here. But again, this is way to go too. And let's say that this took him 3 minutes, what, 20 minutes of work, 45,000 views, that's 45 euro, 45, like $50-$60 for what, 20 minutes of work? Perfect, right? And you can do it. This is not hard. This is, if it would be hard, I wouldn't showing it to you. This is the first way how we can do it. Creating comparison videos of the products, mouses, keyboards, etc. When I write here on search, I can go top 5 mouses for gaming, and you can create videos like these too. And let me explain how it actually works. The link down below in the description would help you with everything, with the course. So they just have the screenshots in a video, which are shown, and there's like zoom in, and someone is talking about and reading about the mouse, and what they're mostly doing, they're reading the Amazon description of the product. That's it. But ordinary people, let's say mom who wants to buy a mouse for a kid, They don't care. They don't understand it, that how it works, the business model. They're like, oh my god, they're showing that this mouse is really great for gaming, and they're going to buy it. That's it. That's it. That's how it works. So that's something you can definitely do, and that's something that I would recommend you to do, to create something like this. So what you can do is videos like these, and then download a video from the official Razer website and use it as a footage. It's a fair use. They're not going to strike you because you're actually selling the product while having voiceover reading the Amazon description of the product. That's really good. And then what you can do is to also, let's say I have like Razer, Naga, Trinity versus, and you could create also versus videos. But this mouse is really old, so what my recommendation would be, focus on the new mouses, which are not heavily dominated. In that regard, it's much better. I really believe in that. So that's something you can definitely do. So these are the two ways how we can actually make money and how we can make it. And let's say take Vania here. When you open it, you can see clearly, look at this, Amazon, 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 right? That's really good. And you can do this also for keyboard. So let's say that I would have a keyboard, Red Dragon, and you will be pushing up the content. And again, never forget guys, if you would be creating YouTube videos, not only you would be making money from the affiliate from Amazon, you would be also making money from the AdSense. So look at this. See? And you can just like research what kind of keywords are not covered. And then you can create videos on it. See? That's something you can definitely do. And that's something that I would focus on. Some, like let's say notebooks, gaming notebooks are heavily dominated. I wouldn't recommend going into that. Also best gaming mouses. But there are always markets that you can target that are not covered. And that's something you can definitely focus on. That's something that I would recommend to do. So that's pretty much it. Research the product, find the product, create versus videos or best videos. You're gonna have a link down below in the description, and that's the start. Then what you can do is write, and I would review the channel, etc. if you're interested. And that's the way to go. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. I'm really excited about making these kind of videos. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.